Hello friends, how are you doing, and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how can we disable the background running apps in Windows 10. Okay, since there are a lot of apps which run in the background, and even if we don't want them to run, okay, and in this case we need to disable them from running in the background in order to reduce the RAM consumption. Okay, and for this you have to go to menu, start menu, and then settings, and here the privacy, and at the bottom we have background apps. You can see that. Okay, here you can see the list of apps which are installed in your computers, and some of them are allowed to run in background and some of them are not. Okay, as you can see 3D viewer, which is currently off, that means it is not allowed to run in background. Okay, and as I click here, now it is allowed to run in background. This app can run in the background. Okay, so simply you can choose the software, the programs which you don't want them to run in the background. Suppose here I have Asphalt Edge Airborne. If I don't want this to run in the background, I just need to simply click here. Okay, and it's turned off. Calculator, okay, and other apps I can manually turn them off. And if you want all of them not to run in the background, then simply click here. Now all the apps here won't run in the background. Okay, and simply you can turn it on as well. Okay, so in this way we can disable the background running apps, and which reduce the RAM consumption, so that your computer will work more efficiently. Okay, and friends, this was for today. So please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.